3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Chemistry Kids. Lots of fun at-home chemistry activities for kids. The activity for today is making lava lamp. The materials needed are oil, water, food coloring, alka seltzer, and of course a container. So what are the steps involved? 1. Put alka seltzer into container. 2. Add food coloring to water. 3. Pour oil on alka seltzer in container. And 4. Add water with food coloring. Step 1. Put alka seltzer into container. Step 2. Add food coloring to water. Step 3. Pour oil on alka seltzer in container. And finally, step 4. Add water with food coloring to container. When doing this experiment, it is very important that we do not make the mistake of adding too much alka seltzer. So how did this experiment work? Well, air bubbles are formed when alka seltzer is placed in water. The water is heavier than the oil, so it sinks to reach the tablets at the bottom of the container. The bubbles are lighter than the oil, so they float to the top. Remember to do chemistry every day, and I'll see you next time.